welcome back to my YouTube channel, Family Adventure USA. So ngayon guys, isi-share ko lang sa inyo ang award na nakuha ni James sa kanyang school's journey guys, being a 5th grade students guys, because today is the last day of school. So ayan yung award ni James. Honor roll certificate for earning all A's. Yan yung unang nakuha niya guys, ni James. Kaya super proud ako sa kanya. And the second one, yan yung recorder karate green belt award of excellency. Yan, balik apat yung nakuha niyang award guys. And the third one, certificate of achievement recognizing, yan, being a patroller. Yun. And the fourth one, outstanding academic achievement. Yung pang-apat niya guys. Kaya yun, sinishare ko lang sa inyo yung journey ni James na being, kasi today yung last day niya. So welcome to 5th grade, middle school. Goodbye elementary life na guys, kasi mag middle school na si James by August. Kaya ayan, another na naman niya, panibagong school na naman si James, kasi today is the last day of school and today is the clap out also. Kaya ayan, sinishare ko lang sa inyo guys, kasi ayan, part kayo ng aming buhay. Kaya ayan yung awards na nakuha ni James sa kanyang elementary life. Yeah. Thank you so much guys for watching sa aming mga videos. Sa susunod na video again guys, thank you always for supporting our YouTube channel, Family Adventure USA. Ayan. Yun.